Torrential slide cost really equivalent to $45.2770 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 43.4862 to 46.0274 in a sort of significant manner. The earlier day close. 45.3798, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change generally was 0.1028, 0.23% in a sort of significant way. Converse rate. United States dollars to Avax, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $41.78, most certainly greatest 44.70, least 38.86, further appearance how torrential slide value forecast for. In the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $41.78, by and large most extreme 44.70, lovely least 38.86, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $45.35, essentially most extreme 48.52, in every practical sense, least 42.18. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $49.32, sort of greatest 52.77, least 45.87 in an exceptionally enormous way. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, December 28. Cost $48.25, for the most part greatest 51.63, genuinely least 44.87, or so they really thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $48.47, truly most extreme 51.86, least 45.08, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. And multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, January 1. Cost $46.28, in every way that really matters, most extreme 49.52, exceptionally least 43.04 amazingly. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $49.92, sort of greatest 53.41, certainly least 46.43 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $51.09, greatest 54.67, truly least 47.51, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, January 4. Cost $51.46, really most extreme 55.06, sort of least 47.86, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, January 5. Cost $54.43, in every practical sense, greatest 58.24, all things considered, least 50.62. Then 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $50.83, sort of greatest 54.39, genuinely least 47.27, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $53.68, really greatest 57.44, sort of least 49.92 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, January 10. Cost $59.65, all things considered, most extreme 63.83, certainly least 55.47, which by and large is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, January 11. Cost $62.39, most extreme 66.76, lovely least 58.02, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, January 12. Cost $72.37, especially greatest 77.44, in every practical sense, least 67.30, which truly shows that torrential slide figure on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $53.68, sort of most extreme 57.44, exceptionally least 49.92, which by and large is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday, January 15. Cost $73.05, in every practical sense, most extreme 78.16, sort of least 67.94 in an all things considered, huge way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, January 16. Cost $72.02, by and large greatest 77.06, Beautiful least 66.98 in a quite enormous way. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, January 17. Cost $83.13, especially greatest 88.95, sort of least 77.31. Extremely further appearance how torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $48.47, lovely most extreme 51.86, sort of least 45.08 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, January 18. Cost $86.17, in every way that really matters, greatest 92.20, kind of least 80.14. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, January 19. Cost $83.93, really greatest 89.81, truly least 78.05. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, January 22. Cost $87.08, genuinely most extreme 93.18, fundamentally least 80.98, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, January 23. Cost $89.83, for the most part greatest 96.12, in every way that really matters, least 83.54, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.0221 coins per $1, showing that in about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, January 22. Cost $87.08, exceptionally greatest 93.18, especially least 80.98. Today's reach. 0.0217 0.0230 in a significant way. The past day's nearby. 0.0220, or so they for the most part thought. Change for now plus 0.0001, plus 0.45%, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Avax cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, December 25. Cost 0.024 coins, extremely greatest 0.026, essentially least 0.022. So torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $41.78, in every practical sense, most extreme 44.70, kind of least 38.86. Especially further appearance how torrential slide value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future, and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $41.78, beautiful greatest 44.70, exceptionally least 38.86. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, December 26. Cost 0.022 coins, lovely most extreme 0.024, by and large least 0.021, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to